For decades, the bird flu outbreaks have affected poultry systems around the globe. Commonly called an avian influenza, it's a highly contagious viral disease caused by influenza type A viruses, mainly targeting chickens and turkeys. Various birds excrete while flying, thus providing a gateway of air transmission of the flu. Ducks and geese are central players in the ecology of this virus, who also migrate long distances, further accelerating the spread to terrestrial birds. The movement of infected poultry and migratory birds and an illegal bird trade are believed to be the causes of the spread. So what are the two strains of this flu? Namely, there are two strains. First is the H5N1 strain, one that causes a severe respiratory disease in birds. Human transmission is occasional, but it was in 1997 where humans contracted the flu following an outbreak in Hong Kong. 6 out of 18 died of the disease. According to the WHO, the mortality rate is around 60% when people get infected. The WHO also believes to have found no evidence of this strain to spread through prepared and cooked poultry food. The second strain is named as H5N8. It is a subtype of H5N1. This is highly lethal to wild birds and poultry, one of the less pathogenic type for humans, and poses only a low risk to people. Several states in India have sounded an alert to contain the H5N8 strain of bird flu and sent samples for testing. 12 epicenters have been identified in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Kerala.
देखिए, एवियन इन्फ्लुएंजा के करीब 5 स्टेट से रिपोर्ट हो चुका है। 1-2 जगह और शायद वो है, चूंकि प्रदेश सरकारों से 5 सरकारों से हमारे पास रिपोर्ट आ चुकी है। हिमाचल, हरियाणा, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश और केरला से ये रिपोर्ट आ चुकी है। और इसमें अभी तक की एक तरह से कह सकते हैं हरियाणा से रिपोर्ट है, पोल्ट्री में फैली है, नहीं तो वाइल्ड जो बर्ड्स हैं उनमें है, या आप कह सकते हैं माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स जो बाहर से आती हैं उनमें है।
Meanwhile, the centre has taken note of the spread and asked states to constitute state-level monitoring committees to monitor the flu. State veterinary departments in collection of samples of migratory birds, dead birds, should be handled with utmost caution and scientific supervision. Surveillance should not be restricted to the protected areas alone, but to all wetlands and habitats that host migratory birds.
लेकिन कोई भी पोल्ट्री फार्म में अभी हमने रैंडम चेक करने के निर्देश दिए, ये बीमारी नहीं है। केरल सहित दक्षिण के राज्यों में मुर्गा मुर्गियों में भी ये लक्षण पाए गए, तो वहां से 10 दिन के लिए हमने तय किया है कि जो मुर्गा मुर्गी आते हैं उस पर आने पर हम रोक लगाएंगे।
So are eggs, chicken safe to eat amid the bird flu? According to the World Health Organization, chicken and other poultry are safe to eat if cooked properly. However, no birds from flocks with disease should enter the food chain. The WHO recommends cooking of poultry at or above 70 degrees Celsius throughout the product so that absolutely no meat remains raw or red. The WHO also believes to have found no evidence of consumers being exposed to the virus via the handling or consumption of poultry or poultry products. Priya Lalwani and Mubina Kapasi for ET Now.